13mm bolts. These right here, all of it, and then I should be able to get down. But yeah, so far it's been a pretty easy job. New one compared to the old one. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna slide this, clean that side out real good on both sides, fill in, get a little bit of lube it up a little bit. All right, guys, so today we are removing this AC compressor from this 2014 Chevy Spark. Pretty easy to do. I already got the side cover off. If you want, you could take the wheel or not, but usually you just have the two clips and then just a 10mm at the bottom, and then you got two 13mm bolts, which are right there at the bottom of the compressor, which they go right here. So those two, and then you got this belt, but this doesn't have a tensioner, so I'm gonna release these right here, all of it, and then I should be able to get down. And then when I put it back on, I need to use a special tool for it, and I'll show you how that's done. But we already had our Freon, so I just got to free this bolt right here for the other AC line. I already tried to replace the sensor before, didn't work. Sometimes you get lucky, so we're gonna do this now, this line, and then we should be pretty good from there. So 13mm all around, and then we just got that top one up there, so I'm gonna get that one with the wrench, probably both of those through the top, but these two you could do it for the bottom. But yeah, so far it's been a pretty easy job. Let me get to it, guys. So there she is, we have her off. Another thing we had to do is remove this bracket, which sits in there like this. So it has two bolts, all 13mm. So those two, and then this one on the side, which is bolted right there. So once you remove that, you can easily pull it off from right here. So it makes it easy. But yeah, there it is. I just gotta wait for the other one to come in and we'll install it, but I'll get that one going here soon. But it's not too bad of a process. For being a small car, being very compact, you're able to reach everything there. But yeah, here, once I get the new one in here in an hour or so, we should be solid. We'll put it back in and hopefully this fix the AC issue we're having. Here we have the new one compared to the old one. See, this one's all seized up. This spins freely here, but not there. Put a new one, nice and free, and that one. So here we're gonna go ahead and put that bad boy in and get it rolling. Make sure everything looks about the same. Yep, sure does. All right, let's get her going. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna slide this in there, and then we're gonna slide it in there, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the bracket, because remember, there's not enough space. All right, so the compressor's in there. Put it in there like that so it could fit. Then I put the bracket in, so now it has plenty of clearance. So I'm gonna bolt this up first, put the bolt on top and the one down here, and then I'm gonna start bolting up the compressor back on. You guys definitely want to switch these out. The old ones kind of a little worn out. Here's a good part number you can get. It has like a limited baggie of different seals, O-rings, so that'll help you guys out. So yeah, this guy, clean that side out real good on both sides, because if not, you'll have a small leak. But yeah, give it a nice clean, and then you just put the seal in, get a little bit of lube it up a little bit, and that way it slides nice, it doesn't crack the seal. But yeah, this one goes on top of the compressor like this, and then the hose comes in. So yeah, let me install that real quick, and then we just got the bottom one, and we should be pretty solid. But Yeah, there it is all mounted. Here's the hose, and we should be solid to go.